Now, welcome back to the channel. It's Matt in the Julio, and today we got a ride along. So make sure you leave a comment down below. Let us know what state you're in. And we got 3 jobs on the calendar, Julio.
3 jobs?
3 jobs. We got 3 full loads, and there's a bunch of mattresses there. And I asked the Julio earlier, do you know how to use a box cutter? And he was like, huh? A box cutter? Is that like cut boxes up? Julio, yes, it cuts boxes up. So I'm going to teach him today how to use a box cutter just in case he doesn't know how to use it. So make sure you smash that like button. You ready to get this money?
I'm ready to get it.
Let's head on out.
Let's go. I'm ready, boss. I'm ready to get the cutting.
Julio, what are you doing? You never point the knife towards you. Young grasshopper, you want it this way when you get the cutting.
Oh my God.
Use your melon. Now let's check out the job. So here's the first job of the day, and they actually added more stuff, Julio. Check it out. This is quite a big job. A bunch of mattresses. We got a refrigerator over there. And a bunch of dressers, and pretty much they added this stuff right here over, plus that refrigerator wasn't there before. So let me go talk to the guy real quick. So Julio, what do you think?
Who needs a new dresser? I've got some bikes for sale. What do you think? Just say.
So Julio got him for the low. So you're probably wondering, Matt, what did you charge for that extra stuff that they added? Well, I can't do it for free, so I charged an additional $279, which is a fair price. Now, if you want to know how much money we make today, make sure you watch the video to the very end. Now leave a comment down below. How often do you show up to jobs and they say it's 1 or 2 loads and it ends up being a whole lot more? Today that happened, Julio. And you know what? I love jobs like that.
I love jobs like that though too. A lot more stuff. Get that workout in.
That's what I'm talking about. Now, just like that, job is complete. And Julio, that was some damn easy money, huh?
Easy money. 15-20 minutes in and out. I didn't even break a sweat.
Now, this is for all you guys out there that think you got a lot of competition. I was actually out in Brentwood, California last Saturday at 2:30. And Julio, was there not a lot of competition there?
There was a lot.
So I'm going to play this clip for you, so check it out. Now, this is what I call competition. If you ain't got competition like this in your area, stop stressing. This ain't even counting the franchise boys or the guys that have a Google My Business. These are just guys posted at Home Depot, and they don't even have a website. But check out all their vehicles. All their setups are super clean, and they're getting money. Now, that's what I call a shitload of competition, Julio. There was at least 15 junk haulers there.
Man, 15 when you were there at 2:30?
At 2:30. That ain't at 8 o'clock in the morning. But anyways, Julio, what's your prediction of the dump fee on this one back here?
I say 65.
65?
65.
I'm going to say $79. And just so you guys know, if I haven't told you yet, they started a new thing out here in Sonoma County where they're charging you $50 per mattress and box spring. So me and the Julio, we ain't never gonna pay that. We got a free mattress place that takes them Monday through Thursday, unless they're full. If they're full, we gotta cut them up, Julio.
And that's when these come in.
So the Julio will be a professional box cutter, mattress cutter pretty damn soon.
By the end of the day.
So we're heading on out. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
So guess what? Julio, what happened?
I'm gonna have to use these today.
The free mattress place is full. That's the bad thing about California. They want you to drop off mattresses to get recycled, but they're full right now, so we can't drop none off. So you know what?
I saw a big yard we could just dump them in.
No, Julio. We've seen someone already dump them illegally down the road over here. Julio, you can't be like that. You can't live like that. Wow.
Around, guys. Oh my God.
Shit, Julio. So we're heading to the dumps, and we'll be there in an extra 10 minutes, so it's all good. Now, Julio, who's the hauler and baller of the week?
Trash Works.
Out of Colorado, he's a junk removal company, and check out that hauling and balling shirt representing. That's what's up. Now I'm gonna show you how to cut up a mattress, and all you need is a box cutter. You can wear a mask if you want, and it should only take a couple minutes. I'm gonna have the Julio hold the camera, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Damn, that's like a world record. That was like, what, 30 seconds, Julio? Super fast, huh? Damn good. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous watching the Julio cut one up. So we are back for round number 2, and this is the rest of the job. Let's check it out. Now let's talk about where I got this job from. It's actually a repeat customer that found me online on a Google search. So here's the find of the day. If junk removal slows down anymore, Julio, I'm back to serving grams and ounces. Check that out. Only thing it needs is the battery and we're good. So we're heading to the next job, and guess what it is?
What is it?
A mattress and a bed frame.
Piece of cake.
Piece of cake, baby. So we're heading there now. Now, where did this customer find me at? They actually found me on Facebook. Now, just like that, job is complete, and it took like a minute and a half, and we got a shout out to give to who, Julio?
We clean out junk.
Out of Pennsylvania. They're a power couple, and check out this billboard. That's super clean, and I can't wait for the day when me, the Julio, and the JoJo have our own billboard on the side of the freeway. We should practice our poses, Julio.
We should practice.
Damn, that's pretty good.
We look real good today.
We look good every day. So, Julio, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
I say 58.
58?
58.
I'm going to say $79.
You're probably gonna win.
And leave a comment down below what you guys think. Now we're heading to the dumps. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
And you thought we were frozen. We're just messing with you. Julio, who won?
Mr. 305, baby. I did.
What was it?
$62.
$62. The Julio won. And get this too. Me and the Julio made a bet a couple weeks ago about what NFL team is going to make it to the Super Bowl. And I told him that the Raiders will have a better record than Miami. And guess what? The Raiders are 0-3, and the Miami Dolphins are
3-0.
3-0. And we bet $1,000 on it too, so it's not looking good for me, Julio.
It's looking pretty good for me on this side.
Well, anyways, what's your guys' team? Leave it in the comments down below. Last time we had a lot of people saying they like the Chiefs, the Cowboys. I'm a Raider fan. He's a Dolphins fan, so.
Thank you, Chiefs, for Tyreek Hill.
Whatever. So we're heading to the next one. It's a full load, Julio, or maybe even more. We don't know yet.
Oh, man, until we get to the job, huh?
You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Let's get it.
Now, how this customer found us, he actually said he's seen our truck driving around town all the time. So it's a must to get decals on your vehicle because it's a moving billboard and you'll get business that way. So just like that, we pulled up and threw it off the balcony.
Felt like Stephen Curry.
And here's the tip of the day. Whenever you do a job and someone's moving out, don't ever, ever, ever take a check, because that bad boy can bounce like a basketball, and you don't want that to happen to you. So always take cash or a credit card. Never take a check when they're moving. Now, Julio, what's your prediction of the dump fee on this one back here?
I say 150.
150?
150.
I'm going to say 135. And let's see what happens. Now we're going to West Coast Metals to drop off these 2 AC units, which cost us $30. And that AC feels damn good. You ready?
It's getting warm out here.
It's getting hella warm out here in Cali. Now we're heading to the scrapyard.
Let's get it.
So I just noticed something right now. Leave a comment down below if I'm right. I noticed that me and the Julio, the more we hang out, we're starting to look like stepbrothers. Check him out. He has a beard like me and stuff. I don't know if I look more Latino or he's looking more Caucasian. But it's all good. It's Charlie Holmes. This is my carnan right here. Leave a comment down below if we look like brothers now.
Blood brothers.
I cannot believe this. The Julio won again. What was it?
98, and the other one was 60, so it came out to 158.
What the hell, Julio? I can't believe that. He whooped my ass again today.
2 for 3.
Is it 2 for 3?
Yeah, you won once.
It's all good. The Raiders are going to make a comeback. That's all I know. That's all I know.
Now, if you enjoy these videos, hit like, subscribe, and also the notification bell, so whenever we have a new video, you can be notified.
So just like that, we're done for the day, ladies and gentlemen. And guess how many mattresses I cut up? 9. And guess how many the Julio did?
A half one.
He did a half of one. He is a master at dodging dirty, hard work for sure.
Hey, you gotta slither your way out of it sometimes.
Wow. Well, anyways, if you guys like these videos, make sure you smash that like button. You want to say anything else, Julio?
Hit the notification bell so you can be the first one to watch these videos.
And we love all you guys. We'll catch you on the next one.